In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Tic Tac Toe with ChatGPT. First, open a chat and simply ask to play Tic Tac Toe with you. A friendly prompt like, "Let's play Tic Tac Toe" is perfect. You don't need anything fancy, just make the request and ChatGPT will usually acknowledge the game and prepare to begin. If it doesn't immediately lay out a board, that's okay. It can still keep track of moves as you go, and you can always ask it to show the current board after each turn. Next, decide who is X and who is O. You can say something like, "I'll be X, you be O," or ask, "Who is X and who is O?" Traditionally, X goes first, but you can choose either way. The key is to make it clear at the start so both sides know the turn order. If ChatGPT asks a follow-up question to confirm, just answer directly so the game flows smoothly. When it's time to make a move, you can respond using coordinates or plain language positions. Coordinates use a row-column format like 1-1, 1-2, or 1-3 for the top row, 2-1, 2-2, or 2-3 for the middle row, and 3-1, 3-2, or 3-3 for the bottom row. For example, 1-1 is the top left square, 2-2 is the center, and 3-3 is the bottom right. If you prefer words, you can say positions like top left, top middle, top right, middle left, the center, middle right, the bottom left, a bottom middle, or bottom right. Both styles work. Just pick one and try to stay consistent. As you play, ChatGPT will place your X or O in the spot you call out and then take its turn. If the layout ever seems unclear, ask it to show the board after each move by saying something like, "Please display the board each turn." Clear, simple messages help prevent confusion. If you make a typo or change your mind immediately, send a quick correction before the next move is made. Keep taking turns until someone gets 3 in a row horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, or until the board is full and it's a draw. ChatGPT will usually announce the result. If you want to double-check a winning line, just ask it to highlight or restate the winning combination. That's all there is to it. Ask to play, agree on who's X and who's O, and make your moves using either coordinates like 1-1 or plain positions like top left. Enjoy the game, keep your inputs clear, and have fun refining your strategy as you go.